So let's we discuss the futures of Indus Valley civilization. We discuss the futures of Indus Valley civilization. Okay, let's we start. The first future of Indus Valley civilization is the futures of cities, and second granary and agriculture, third trade, fourth handicrafts and occupational groups, fourth belief system. These are the futures of Indus Valley civilization. So we start the first futures of cities. This is we discuss. Okay, this is first we discuss. They used burned bricks for their buildings. The cities of Harappa have two parts. The first part is west for hire. Okay, the first part city to the west was higher. Okay, the west part is higher. They for administrators, and second part means the part of the city to the east was lower for common people. Okay, the houses were built among both sides of planned streets. The houses built both sides of the planned street. They were varying structure. The houses are varying structure. Some houses had only one room and others had more rooms. They have a well. Every house had a toilet. In Indus Valley civilization, the houses were built. The houses have Some houses have one room and other houses have more rooms. The houses are varying structure. They have a well. Every household had a toilet. These are the house features of the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, and they have drainage system. Okay, they have drainage system. That is another feature of the cities. Okay, first we discuss the features of cities. That included the house, features of house. Okay, and then the drainage system. The features of drainage system is the waste water from the houses was let out into the drains. These drains were connected to the main drain of the state. The drains were built of burned bricks and covered with stone slabs. Effective drainage system existed even in small towns and villages. They have very well drainage system. The house waste water let out into the drains. These drains connected with the big drain of the street. Okay, the drains were built burned bricks that covered with slabs. The effective drainage system existed even in small towns and villages. ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തു ഹൗസിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ട്. ഹൗസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു? സ്ട്രീറ്റിൻ്റെ രണ്ട് വശങ്ങളിലായിട്ടായിരുന്നു. അവർക്ക് വെള്ളുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ബാത്റൂം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, പിന്നെ അതുപോലെ ഒരു റൂമുള്ള വീടുകളും അതിൽ കൂടുതലുള്ള റൂമുകളുള്ള വീടുകളുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ദെൻ ഡ്രെയിനേജ് സിസ്റ്റമാണ് ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് സിറ്റിയിൽ രണ്ടാമതായിട്ട് വരുന്നത്. അഴുക്കുചാൽ എന്താണ്? അവർക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ നിന്നുള്ള അഴുക്ക് വെള്ളം ഒഴിവാക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടൊരു ഡ്രെയിനേജ് സിസ്റ്റം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇതെങ്ങനെ അവർ യൂസ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്? വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് ഒഴുക്കി വിടുന്ന വെള്ളം സ്ട്രീറ്റിലുള്ള വലിയ ഡ്രെയിൻ സിസ്റ്റവുമായിട്ട് കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. അതിലേക്കാണ് വീട്ടിലത്തെ അഴുക്ക് വെള്ളം ഒഴുകി പോവുക. ഈ ഡ്രെയിൻസ് ബിൽറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബേൺഡ് ബ്രിക്സ്. എഫക്റ്റീവ് ഡ്രെയിനേജ് സിസ്റ്റം എക്സിസ്റ്റഡ് ഈവൻ ഇൻ സ്മോൾ ടൗൺസ് ആൻഡ് villages. Okay, a great tank is called a great bath. Look at the picture. This is a great tank. Okay, that is called the great bath. That was discovered in Indus Valley civilization. Okay, it is an evidence for the architectural skills of the people of that period. Look at the picture or zoom at the picture. We can see the architectural skill of the people in that period. Okay, it was built entirely with burned bricks. These all are built with the burned bricks. Okay, and second features of Indus Valley civilization is the granary and agriculture. Okay, granary and agriculture. Okay, they were big buildings with the facility to dry and store grains. Wheat, barley, millet, sesame, pulses, etc. have been founded here. Evidence of the rice cultivation have been uncovered from the Ragpur and Lodhal in Gujarat. Cotton was also cultivated. The urban folk depended on the village for food and work. the village were the major market for the urban products. Okay, they have well store. That means they have a well drainage system. That was we discussed. They have well drainage system, and they have also a granary and agriculture is the next feature. Okay, granary and agriculture is the next feature. Okay, they were big buildings. They have big buildings with the facility to dry and store grains. They were big buildings. അവർക്കൊരു വലിയ ബിൽഡിംഗ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നു with the facility to dry and store grains. For big buildings for the facility to dry and store grains. Okay, the wheat, barley, millet, sesame, pulses, etc. have been founded from Indus Valley civilization. Okay, the evidence for rice cultivation have been uncovered from the Ragpur and Lodha in Gujarat. In Ragpur and Lodha, that places discovered the evidence of rice cultivation in the Indus Valley civilization, the period of Indus Valley civilization. The cotton was also cultivated in Indus Valley civilization peoples. The urban folk depended on the village for food. The urbans dependent on the village for what? For food. Okay, for food and work. The urban folk were dependent on the village. Okay, the village were the major market for the urban products. The agricultural field in the village were fertile because what? Because why the agricultural fields in the village were fertile? Because it is the alluvial soil deposited by the river Indus that made them fertile. Okay, the alluvial soil deposited by the river Indus, so the agricultural field in the village were fertile. In Kalibangan in Rajasthan, clay plough farming was done by the ploughing the land. The canals were constructed for irrigation. They constructed canals for irrigation. For the purpose of irrigation, they constructed canals. Also, they engaged in animal husbandry also. That was existed in Indus Valley civilization. They also engaged in animal husbandry. Okay, they reared ox, goat, pig and sheep. They reared. Okay, they reared ox, goat, pig and sheep. The figure of rhinoceros and elephants made of clay have also been founded here. Okay, the surplus agricultural products were stored in the granary. The surplus agricultural products were stored in the granary. The grains collected in the form of revenue. The grains collected in the form of revenue were also kept there. The grains thus stored were made available to the public. Such granaries are the evidence for the existence of an efficient administrative system. Okay, got it. The grain thus stored were made available to the public. Such granaries are the evidence for the existence of an efficient administrative system. Okay, then we discuss the next future trade. Okay.